This is the part 2 video of how you can be able to start a poultry farm in 2024. Sometimes in life you have to make choices. Do you really want to start a poultry farm, or do you want to keep on walking around? In my first video, I talked about how you can be able to construct one of the best poultry houses. First of all, if you want to start a poultry farm in 2024, you have to make sure that you have constructed one of the best poultry houses. When you're doing the construction of the poultry house, we offer the services whereby we'll be able to construct for you the best of the best poultry houses. Remember, it has to be price friendly. What do I mean when I say it has to be price friendly? It has to become affordable, so as you can be able to construct one of the best poultry houses. Remember, you are going to put a lot of birds in this poultry house. What you have to do, you have to make sure that you have constructed one of the best poultry houses to be able to prevent diseases from occurring on your poultry farm, and also to be able to prevent your chicken being attacked by predators. What are the kind of predators that can attack your poultry farm? Let's get inside so as we can be able to see some chicken. So in here, as you can see, this is our chicken. We also have some roosting patches over there, so as you can be able this chicken to patch during the night, because a chicken is a bird, and a bird doesn't like to sleep on the floor. When they sleep on the floor, they feel very unsafe, and that's why we construct their roosting patches. So if you want to start a poultry farm in 2025, I've said now we are not starting with 100 or 200 birds. We are starting with 1,000, 5,000, or even 10,000 birds, and we can be able to construct for you one of the best poultry houses at an affordable price. You're not going to make a poultry house by the using of the iron bars and the concrete when raising the poultry house. We are going to make for you a poultry house that can last you between 10 to 15 years, so as you can be able to make money. I told you, we are not going to wait until we die of old age before we recoup our investment. We want to be able to do poultry farming and get money out of this venture before we die of old age. Remember, as I said, we are not in this world to suffer. We are in this world so as we can be able to make money and live comfortably. So you really have to know what you are doing. And over here, as you can see, we are lighting up this one that we are going to use to heat our brooder. And this is the beautiful environment whereby our farm is located. And something else I wanted to tell you, you have to really take keen where you will be setting up your poultry farm. Your farm location. You have to set up your poultry farm in an area that is far away from human interaction, a lot of human interaction, because a lot of human interaction can lead to a lot of diseases on attacking your poultry farm. And you can contact me for the cases of consultation. I will pin my number on the screen so as it can be easy for you to contact me. You can WhatsApp me or email me, and I will be able to help you wherever you want. So don't be afraid. So you can see this poultry house, we have constructed it in a way whereby it is very strong. We usually put like food, which is about I think 3 to 4 tons on top here, but it can't go down, meaning this is a very strong poultry house. As you can see, here are some of our chicks that we are brooding. Here and here, these are our chicks that we are brooding. And over there, as I have shown you, we are using this brooder pot for the heating purposes of our chickens, so that you can be able to get enough heat. These chicks can be able to get enough heat, so as they can grow up very properly. And over there, you can see we have some very big chicken, and that one have passed the breeding stage. And we want to keep on telling you guys how you can be able to start a profitable poultry farming and sustainable, remember that, poultry farming venture in 2025. Okay, so in this video I will continue telling you all that. So if you haven't, let me close here. So if you haven't, it's a bit dark in here. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like the video, so as you can be able to get some more knowledge of how you can be able to start a profitable and sustainable poultry farming in 2025. Something else that you really need to take keen consideration of, let me get down. Okay, something else is about the farm location. As I've told you, when you are buying a land whereby you want to set up your poultry farm, make sure that, let me sit here, as you can see this chicken over here. You can see them, they have roosted over there. You can see how beautiful they are. Yes. So if you really want to start a poultry farm in 2025, whereby you have bought your land, whereby you want to set up this poultry farm, make sure that you are buying land where we have an access to clean water. Clean water is one of the biggest things that most farmers usually neglect. If your chicken get clean water, then they'll be able to grow up properly. Most of chicken diseases are brought up from contaminated water. If you end up drilling a well or drilling a borehole, let me say a borehole, we also offer borehole services, drilling of borehole services to farmers. So if you really need to drill a borehole or a well, so as it can be able to provide water to your chicken, make sure that that water is thoroughly tested before giving that water to your chicken. Because your chicken may be getting some kind of diseases, and you may really not know that these kind of diseases may be caused by water. You may end up trying to buy the wrong antibiotics, assuming the kind of diseases that are attacking your poultry farm, yet you are not really treating the real cause or the real disease that is attacking your poultry farm. I want to pass over here, and maybe I'm kind of afraid. I think we have to cut this grass over here, because this one can attract some snakes. So we have to really cut this grass over here. So, as I have said, you have to be really keen with the kind of water that you are giving to your chicken. Because if you are not really keen with the kind of water that you are giving to your chicken, you may end up thinking that you are treating a certain disease. But you're treating the same disease, but the water that you're giving to your chicken is contaminated. So you'll end up having losses, whereby you'll have losses on the purchase of the medication, and also you'll have losses on the purchase, on losing the chicks to mortalities. Because the chicks are dying of the disease, and you're continuing to give the contaminated water to your chicken. That is the biggest problem. And also, I offer consultation services to you farmers, so as you can be able to know more things in the poultry sector. As I have told you, if you haven't watched the part 1 of how you can be able to start a profitable and sustainable, we don't want you only to start poultry farming within the first year, then you are done. You have to start the poultry farm and keep it growing. We have all the tips and tricks of how you can be able to do that. So don't be afraid to contact us, so as you can be able to start a profitable and sustainable poultry farming business in 2025. Let 2025 become your year. Not all the years is whereby you cry and suffer for you not being able to start a profitable poultry farming business. Let 2025 be your year. Even if for those farmers that want to rear layers, we can be able to construct to you. As I have said, such a poultry house, we can construct it even up to 4 floors. It depends with the area whereby you want to set up your poultry farm and the land size that you have. We will be able to tailor make it to just for you, so as you can be able to get one of the best poultry houses, whereby everybody will come to benchmark of who constructed this poultry house for you. So don't worry, if you contact me, you'll be able to get that service. So, as I have said, that water is really essential when you're constructing your poultry farm. You have to make sure that your water is tested And after it has been tested, for example, if you are rearing, like I've said, 10,000 chicken, okay? You are rearing 10,000 chicken, and you really don't know if that water that you are giving to your chicken is contaminated or not. You are risking your investment. Because if you are rearing like 10,000 layers, I know most people usually rear layers, they can rear it in very huge numbers. You are rearing 10,000 layers, and you are not really keen with the kind of water that you're giving to your chicken. This can lead to you losing over 100,000 USD. Imagine you losing all that money because of a very simple mistake, or these chicken are making a lot of noise, of a very simple thing that you can be able to solve it. So don't assume, if you really want to be able to make money in the poultry sector and make it big, become the big fish in the poultry sector in 2025, make sure you follow what I've told you. And also, as you know it, you know what to do. My number is down below. You'll be able to get the best out of the best. As I told you, you can't do one thing 8 years, repeating, let's say, repeating the same subject 8 times, 8 years. It's not even 8 times. It's more than 8 times. It's like 80 times the same year for 8 years. How can't you be able to become perfect in it? So instead of you wasting your money and time and money, you can be able, because when you decide to waste your money, you want to learn everything through experience. You don't have to learn everything through experience. If I have experienced that issue and I found a solution to that problem by then, you can be able to evade that problem by contacting me. So don't feel afraid to contact me. You'll be able to get all the knowledge that you need. And also, if you really need to be able to start a profitable poultry farming business in 2024, make sure that you know how to be able to formulate your own feeds. If you really want to make money in the poultry sector, make sure that you really know how to formulate your own feeds. Why am I emphasizing on you really need to know how you can be able to make your own feeds? Because if you are able to make your own feeds, then you will be able to increase productivity on your poultry farm, and also you'll be able to save a lot of money on your poultry farm. And that is what we want. We want you to be able, after you've purchased the day-old chicks from us, the actual farm. I spoke about this one in the part 1 of this video, whereby I talked about how you can be able to make money with the improved kienyeji breed of chicken. These ones that you are rearing on our poultry farm, whereby you are raising them only for a period of 3 months. Then you're selling them off for meat. If you're able to do that, then you'll be able to make a lot of money within the shortest time possible. Okay? And if you decide that you are rearing the improved kienyeji breed of chicken for the purposes of eggs, then you can be able to sell those fertilized eggs to produce chicks to people that have incubators within your locality. And here in Kenya, or even here in Bungoma County, I did a small analysis whereby I found out that we have a capacity, farmers, small-scale farmers, have a capacity of hatching 150,000 day-old chicks here in Bungoma County. The only problem is that they lack fertilized eggs. So when these farmers lack fertilized eggs, they stay with the incubators in their homes without using them. So that is the biggest problem. Even on our poultry farm currently, we have a lot of orders of fertilized eggs, but we lack enough fertilized eggs to satisfy the market. So if you are able to purchase day-old chicks from us, then you raise those chicks to become hens, so as they can be able to lay to you eggs, the fertilized eggs, so as you can be able to sell that product to the market. Then you'll be able to make a lot of money out of this venture. As I told you, fertilized eggs of this improved kienyeji breed is Do you see that? 3 times what it costs to sell that of the layer birds. So you'll be making 2 times the profit. So in this world, as I told you, you either choose. Do you want to die of old age before you make money, or you want to make money and enjoy life before you die? So you have to choose. And if you have gotten a person that can give you all the tips and the tricks, why don't you like and support the channel and subscribe to the channel and tell us where you're watching us from. I know this video is being watched worldwide, but I've only just made it seem like it's only being watched in Kenya. But you really have to understand too that fertilized eggs, even if it is in your local market, they usually fetch a higher price. So it doesn't matter the country that you are in, you'll be able to make money. Whatever, in whichever country that you are living in, you'll be able to make a lot of money. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, okay? And support the channel. If you really want to support the channel, make sure you like the video. If you like the video, then I'll be really thankful. So let me take you up here so as I can be able to show you this beautiful surrounding. Then thereby is whereby I'll be able to end this video. Okay, as you can see, that's whereby we have set our poultry farm. You can see fresh air coming onto our poultry farm. All around we have trees and greenery. So if you really want to get one of the best day-old chicks, remember to call us. Our number is +254 706 54 37 60. I will pin the number below so as you can be able to contact me. I'll help you. Worry not. If I'm around, everything is gonna be alright. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.